What is up, people from the internet? I'm back again with a random genre. I don't know what genre I'm gonna make in the next hour. I have the wheel. I'm gonna spin it. 4 genres: bass, house, trap, drum and bass, future bounce. It's all there is left. If you want to know the previous ones, just look at the playlist. I have a whole playlist of 1-hour videos. Let's just spin. Bass house. Okay. Bass house gets a lot of views, by the way. I'm not okay. I've got to do my best here. Timer 1 hour. Here we go. 128 beats per minute. Let's go. I picked drums. Whoops. I just forgot how to produce. Okay. Hier. Okay. Basic clap loop. Okay, what they're not in the same key. I'm gonna change those later, but first I want to have a steady bass line. I'm wasting so much time here. I don't know. I don't know what my mood is right now. On my MIDI keyboard. It's I like the tube distortion so much on a sub bass, because like here it's just like it's aggressive, but this is something that wants to pop out, you know, something it wants to get aggressive really bad, but it's just not that over, it just couldn't reach the threshold to be that aggressive. And it's just on that, it's the same feeling when you get a grade and it's just below the good point, like when you have, I don't know how it goes. It's just cool. I need some wonk. I need a wonk like I don't know how to describe it, but you know, Mofolk uses it a lot, making switch there. This destroys everything so much. I need to make sure that this is hard, this is hard, and this is hard. It's so bad suddenly. I don't know if I... Just a moment of silence. Not producing all day. No homework. Did you know race car spelled backwards is still race car? And then I'll put another one around here, and then a second. Maybe I need to make the lead stereo. I just realized I'm I only have 20 minutes left, so... I think we need to bring some... What am I doing? There is no lead here. Okay, this is not a key. Oh god, I have 1 minute left. Oh no. Okay. Transition. Where are my transitions? Effects. Okay. Timer. This was not what I wanted to accomplish, but you know what? I'll accept it. I'll accept my foolishness by getting distracted by everything. It's Saturday. What am I complaining about? I didn't have a rough day. I just want to go to bed. So yeah, here's my bass house attempt for 1 hour. You can't make bass house in 1 hour, okay? Here's my final result. Guys, it has been a pleasure as always to do this in front of the internet, just doing what I love. It's insane. I want you to click on more videos because I like that. Just click on one videos. Click on the playlist for more 1 hour challenges. FL Studio mobile tutorials, I've got you covered. I want you to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. You know, those basic YouTube stuff, you know, just do what you want. I don't care anymore. I hope to see you very soon. I might have my first release.